Do you know recently a ship submerged due to implosion? Let's find out what is the implosion. The external pressure in underwater implosion is provided by the surrounding water. The water pressure increases with depth, so the implosion process will be more violent in deeper water. This is because the higher water pressure will exert a greater force on the structure, causing it to collapse more quickly and violently. Ninjas are one of the most mysterious and fascinating figures in Japanese history. But what are they exactly? And where did they come from? Ninjas were originally peasant farmers who were trained in espionage, sabotage, and assassination. They were often employed by powerful daimyo, feudal lords, to carry out covert missions. Ninjas started in the 12th century and became really popular during a chaotic time in Japan called the Sengoku period, 1467 to 1600. They were hired by rival leaders to spy and kill enemies. Ninjas fell out of favor in the 17th century, but they remain popular in pop culture. Hey! Did you know about football? Firstly, football was acutely made out of solid rock 2,000 years ago. It's called as shattoli. If the team loses, often captain would be sacrificed to deity. In the 12th century in England, a game called folk football was played by the local people that not only involved kicking but also punching the ball. In 1848, Cambridge students simplified football rules, known as the Cambridge Rules, to end confusion and ensure consistency. Hi guys, this is Lanius. Have you ever heard of how difficult to control a drone? To maintain balance in a drone rotors spin in different directions to counteract the gyroscopic couple caused by all propellers spinning in the same direction. Increasing rotor speed during takeoff generates enough lift force for the drone to overcome its weight and lift off, known as the climbing phase. At the desired height, lowering the rotor speed achieves lift force balance, enabling drone hovering or levitation. Introducing Gift Nifty, the new trading opportunity in India's financial landscape. In 2000, NSE launched the Nifty Futures contract, attracting foreign investors through an agreement with SGX for the SGX Nifty Futures contract. But now, a new era has begun. Introducing Gift Nifty, the successor to SGX Nifty in Gujarat's Gift City. Gift Nifty allows foreign investors to trade the Nifty index in dollars within India. Gift City's 6:30 a.m. bell rings, indicating early market sentiment. Gift Nifty, a new chapter in India's financial markets, where trading opportunities need global investors. Chocolate, a delightful treat with surprising benefits. Boosts mood and promotes happiness. Improves cardiovascular health. Aids post-workout recovery with antioxidants. Enhances brain function and cognition. Fosters social connections and joy. Experience the benefits of chocolate, happiness in every bite.